Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the residence permit in Italy. So in the past 5 years, no, not 5, 4.5 years, I've been using the student Permesso Di Soggiorno, the residence permit for students, because I was a student and last year I graduated and started working, so I needed to switch it to change the residence permit into work purpose instead of student. Last year September I started applying. I didn't go to the post office to get the form to fill and submit myself. Instead I went to the office of the Italian Workers Union, I think Wheel or something. I don't remember the name, yeah. But there's always a local office in every town. I think there's an office nearby my home, like 5 minutes away. So they do all kinds of, they help you with all those documents, and yeah, they tell you what documents you need and they help you to fill in the form. So it's an easy way to apply for this Permesso di Soggiorno, and they don't charge anything. It's completely for free, so that's very good. You just need to get up early to stay in line. Just like any other service here, you have to be in line and wait for a lot of time. But anyway, I collected all my documents, all the relevant documents. They told me that you needed the Unilove, a document called Unilove, to prove your work relationship with your employer, which is more important than the contract somehow. So basically there's nothing really special. You just submitted the document, go to the office, and they help you to fill in the form and show you them your documents, and they will fill in information for you. But you have to have the documents with you, otherwise they won't help you. Because if you don't have documents, you go there, you're just wasting their time. So what you needed basically is just your passport, codice fiscale, the tax code, housing contract. Otherwise you can also use your carta d'identità, residency card, or proof, like certificate. If you have the residency in Italy, you don't need a housing contract. So I have the carta d'identità, which I made another video explain how to get that. And if you have that, you don't need to provide any housing contract, because it is proven already that you reside here in Italy in the certain specific address. I also collected contracts and my paychecks, the record. Actually nothing really special. It's just like your regular Permesso di Soggiorno application, just like student, not much difference. There's also graduation, like a certificate. You have to prove that you actually graduated, so you have to provide that. You get that from university. That's no big deal. That's pretty much it. Really nothing fancy, nothing difficult. So just be confident and get those documents and just go get it, no problem. And applied there in the office, and then I got when they helped me finish filling the form. I think they're filling it electronically online. In the end, they will give you let me think. Oh yeah, there's this the bill, the red little thing. You need to pay the money. You need to go to post office to pay the money. I think they will give you something, a piece of paper or the bill, the red thing. And then you will need to go to the post office to pay the bill yourself, pay for the cost of the Permesso di Soggiorno. And after that, once you paid at the post office will immediately issue a receipt for you. So that receipt is very important. It's for you to, it's written when you are supposed to meet the police immigration office to check all the documents, and also it's a proof for you that you actually have a Permesso di Soggiorno and you are actually applying and you can use that to travel back and forth between your home country and Italy, I think. I'm not sure if you can travel to other countries, probably not. So that's also very important, because you need, just in case you need to prove that you are legal here in some certain situation, you need to have that receipt, to present that receipt. Yeah, so then after that you just wait till the appointment, and that's it. Go to the appointment. I went to the appointment and I submitted all my documents, including my contract and blah blah blah. I didn't have a Unilove at the moment. At that time, I didn't know it was very important. Basically, the ladies at the immigration office just told me, you need to have the Unilove. The contract is something you can just sign, and anybody can sign a signature, print it out. It just doesn't say much about the authenticity. So you need to have the Unilove. It's a kind of an official document you need to you get when you are officially registered, working as an employee at this company. So yeah, that's more authentic. So anyway, I managed to get that from my boss, and yeah. So the document was missing at the day of the appointment, but it wasn't a problem. They told me you can just come back when you have this, when you get this document, just come back to deliver this document. That's it. Very easy. So I got that document and went back to deliver that document, and I went to there's a little booth in front of the police station when you get the ticket, to get the number of your turn, where you wait, where you get the ticket, the number. How do I say that? Yeah, that's where you go to submit your document. You don't even need to go into the office. You just submit that document to the policeman in that little booth. That's it, and you can come back. Let me think. Yeah, it could be specific to different questura, different cities. Maybe because they change rules all the time. They change the way they work all the time. It's different every year. It's kind of annoying, but yeah, that's how it works. They arranged a certain day, Monday or Tuesday, just for delivering the missing documents. So yeah. Anyway, it's not gonna be difficult, so I'm sure you can do it. What then? After delivering that, everything is set, and yeah, there's really nothing much. Just waited at home for the message for the police station to send me a message to tell me when I can collect the permesso. And let me check, when did I get that message actually, so you will have an idea. I applied in September 2018, and I got that message in February 2019. Tells me that I have this appointment. I can go to pick it up today. Actually, April 17th. I just picked it up today. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of wait time. You have to wait quite a lot of months. Kind of like a half of the time of your Permesso di Soggiorno is wasted in waiting. That's how it works here. Yeah. So today I picked it up, and yeah, everything's very smooth. There's no problem. Very easy peasy. Pick it up, and the validity is only till November 2019. So they give me only 1 year and 2 months. 1 or 2 months. So from September to September 2018 to November 2019. So maybe that's because this is the first time I apply for work permit, because I I've heard that the first time is always 1 year, and the second time is you will get 2 years. Yeah, something like that. Because I also have friends who got already switched from student to worker Permesso Di Soggiorno. They told me that you will just get 2 years immediately, but it's not true. Didn't happen to me, at least. I don't know why, but it's just very difficult. It's very confusing, the situation. It's always different, always changing. But yeah, after 5 years, you can also apply for a carta d'identità, which is a green card for Italy. You can stay here indefinitely. You can stay and go as you wish. So that's really nice. That's my next goal. Yeah, but I'm not sure if they will count from the day of my arrival here in Italy or from the day I got the carta d'identità, my Italian ID card. From the day when I first claimed my residency here. I don't know since when, from when they will count. So we'll see. Anyway, transitioning from Permesso di Soggiorno for student to for work is not that difficult. That's my experience. It takes a lot of wait time, but and it's just, very smooth. Yeah, so really nothing to worry about. Every year when I apply, I'm always a little bit concerned, a little bit worried, a little bit, all those unsettling feelings. But in the end, it always turns out okay. Never fails. So, all right, that's it for this vlog. This not a vlog. All right. Hope this has been useful, helpful for your application. If you have questions, you can leave down in the comment section. If I know the answer, I will answer you for sure. But oftentimes I don't know the answer myself either. It's just very confusing. So, but anyway, see you next time. Thanks for watching.